sword. Something to that, Joe. Whatever it was, I dare say you'll see it again.
Next time I see you, you'll be all in black. It was always my colour. Farewell, Snow.
And you, Stark.
Are you a brother of the Night's Watch? Or a bastard boy who wants to play at war?
All my life, I wanted to be Jon Stark. But I swore a sacred vow at the Godswood. My place is here.
I am the sword in the darkness. I am the watcher on the walls. I am the shield that guards from the realm of men. Go on.
Keep your shield up.
I pledge my life and honor to the Night's Watch. For this night and all the nights to come.
It's you and me that matters to me and you. Don't ever betray me.
I know I love you. I know you love me.
The wildlings breach the wall. They roll over everything and everyone for 1,000 miles before they reach an army that can stop them.
Show too much kindness, people won't fear you. If they don't fear you, they don't follow you.
With respect, Your Grace, the free folk will never follow you, no matter what you do.
Who then? You?
You led the mission to avenge Lord Commander Mormon. He may be young, but he's the commander we turned to when the night was darkest.
But who does Jon Snow want to command? The Night's Watch or the wildlings?
The long night is coming.
Winter is coming.
And the dead come with it. No clan can stop them. The free folk can't stop them. The Night's Watch can't stop them. And all the Southern Kings can't stop them.
Kill the boy, Jon Snow. And let the man be born.
My watch is ended.
A monster has taken our home and our brother. We have to go back to Winterfell and save them both.
If I do, if I fall, don't bring me back.
With me! Go! Go! Follow your commander!
Run to the litter. That one's yours, Snow.
No.
Never forget what you are. The rest of the world will not.
The bastard son of a traitor.
Wear it like armor. It can never be used to hedge.
I'm not a Stark.
What are you doing with that, son?
I'm going to miss you.
I'm not a Stark. You are a Stark.
You are to me.
We never should have left Winterfell.
Your uncle, Lord Commander Mormont, made that man his steward.
Yes, my lord.
He chose Jon to be his successor because he knew he had the courage to do what was right, even if it meant giving his life.
You might not have my name.
I don't care if he's a bastard.
You have my blood.
Ned Stark's blood runs through his veins. He's my king from this day until his last day.
The next time we see each other,
I never met my mother.
we'll talk about your mother.
Lyanna!
Lyanna.
Is that you?
Jon Snow avenged the Red Wedding.
He's the prince that was promised.
He is the White Wolf! The King in the North!